On the superhighway from Karachi to Hyderabad, there is a hill that captures the gaze of every passerby. But this isn't just any hill, it is a sacred space, a spiritual landmark where hundreds of religious flags known as alams wave proudly in the wind. These flags, in various colors, sizes, and styles, reflect the deep devotion of the Shia Muslim community and give this place the status of a spiritual sanctuary. People visit to pray, to make vows, and to install an alam as a token of their reverence. Each flag carries a message of patience, loyalty, and unwavering faith.
और मौला अली हसनाबाद उसकी बैठक है, उसका जो है आस्थाना है। और ये मौला अली के कदम मुबारक इधर बना रहते थे और उसका ही ठिकाना है। और मौला अली के ये पिंगा है और उसके पुरानी जगह है और मोमिन सारे इधर बैठते थे।
In the silence of the hill, one can almost hear the whispers of sincere prayers, perhaps reaching all the way to the heavens. This sacred spot is not just a visual marvel, it's a living symbol of Sindh's culture, spirituality, and centuries-old traditions. Just a short drive from the hustle and bustle of Karachi, this hill reminds us that true devotion still stands tall, waving high as a symbol of truth.